With the upcoming Airpods Pro 2, the market is already red hot with the anticipation of better earbuds, and Beats, from the looks of it, is determined to make an impact in the earbuds industry. This is where the speculations and hype about the upcoming Beats Fit Pro wireless earbuds originate from. In this video, we will talk about the Beats Fit Pro wireless earbuds, what to expect from them, and make a small comparison between them and the legendary Airpods Pro. So without any further ado, let's begin. According to TechRadar, the Beats Fit Pro wireless earbuds should have the ability to play music non-stop for up to 6 hours. That too with active noise cancellation turned on. Turning the feature off will give you up to 7 hours of playback. When combined with the charging case, the Beats Fit Pro wireless earbuds should be able to provide approximately 27 to 30 hours of battery life. Compared to the Airpods Pro, this is a pretty nice improvement, as they can deliver about 24 hours of listening time. If the Beats Fit Pro can actually deliver the estimated battery life, this could be a good competitor against the Airpods Pro, which in itself is an immensely difficult feat to pull off. According to 9to5Mac, built-in accelerometers will be featured in the upcoming Beats Fit Pro wireless buds, which will play the role of identifying and reducing external noise. The most obvious use of this technology would be to diminish outside noises like passing vehicles, chatter from the crowd, or gusts of wind, which will in turn provide a clearer and more understandable voice when calling. We wouldn't be surprised if the Beats Fit Pro is advertised as a running headphone, and not only because of the name. The built-in accelerometers will not only reduce outside noise, but might have an impact on measuring and recording workout sessions and then transfer it to an app. When we look at the design language of the earbuds, the probability of marketing them as sport earbuds escalate. The winged tips make them stand out when compared with the Beats Studio Buds and Airpods Pro. And it appears they'll have a strong grip so you can immerse yourself in rigorous physical activities. In terms of expectations, a better ANC is obviously being expected, as the Beats Studio Buds didn't really meet our expectations when compared with Airpods Pro. At the same time, we really hope the initial report of the Beats Fit Pro wireless earbuds having around 30 hours of battery life is true, because it'll be a significant improvement over their predecessor, especially if they can actually manage the 7-hour individual charge. With no buzz about its release on Apple's Unleashed event held on October 18, the release of Beats Fit Pro wireless buds is being highly speculated to be released sometime in November. With the recent pricing leak for the highly anticipated Airpods Pro 2, customers who are looking forward to purchasing a considerably cheaper pair of noise-canceling earbuds have their sights set on the upcoming Beats Fit Pro. According to a report from 9to5Mac, the Beats Fit Pro is set to be released in the first week of November, meaning we might get our hands on them pretty soon. As for the price, there is no solid and trustworthy information yet. However, we expect the price range will land on the same runway as their predecessors. Keeping in mind the inclusion of Apple's H1 chip, we don't expect the price to be cheap. We are estimating the earbuds will cost around $149.99. The chip will give you access to voice assistant integration with Siri, comparatively faster pairing with devices, and last but not least, improved ANC. This could be a great step for Beats considering their direct involvement in the feature. So those were our initial expectations from the upcoming highly anticipated Beats Fit Pro wireless buds. Are you excited as we are and thinking of getting one? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to have more videos like this on your feed.